Hello everyone. Our assignment title is was demonstration and comparative analysis of operating system flavors presented by Ganesh Rivivi, Lasya P. Shetty, Madhura MT, Siri SK. Firstly, I was going to introduce virtual machine. A virtual machine is basically software-based computer that runs inside another computer. It works just like a real computer. It has its own operating system, memory, and storage, but it uses the resource of the main system called host. For example, we can run Linux inside Windows or Windows inside Mac OS using a virtualization tool like Oracle VirtualBox. Virtual machines are very useful for learning and testing different operating systems safely, trying new software without affecting the main computer, isolated so one does not harm the other. So, in short, a virtual machine let us use multiple operating systems on one device safely and easily. Thank you. Next is continued by Lasya P. Shetty.
Hello everyone, this is Lasya Pishetty. Now I will be demonstrating the working of Windows 10 in the virtual machine on virtual box, which is we have used Oracle VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a free and open source virtualization tool that allows us to run multiple OS on the same computer. I have opened the Oracle VM VirtualBox on my system. This is the main interface where we can create, configure, and manage virtual machines. Virtual machines is lightweight and supports both Windows and Linux operating system as guests. The free version is completely sufficient for all our assignment requirement. So as you can see, I have created the Windows 10 and also for Linux Zorin. So by allocating the memory space of 4808 MB and processors as 4 and for Linux Zorin as well 5153 MB and also the processors as 4. So, by allocating the memory, processor, cores, and virtual hard disk memory allocation, now I will simply start the virtual machine of Windows. By clicking the start, As you can see, the Windows 10 is running inside the virtual box just like a normal computer. It is booting up to start window of the operating system, so which will ask for the authentication of the user. By entering the password, we can log in into the Windows. So we have to enter the pin here. Now we can see the main home page of the Windows operating system. Here I will open. Now I will open the settings. In the about section, I can see the information about the OS. Here the device name and also the installed RAM, device ID, product ID are being showcased over here. So next I will open Task Manager by right clicking the taskbar and selecting it. Now the few applications are being opened as like the calculator, Word file and all those things. So in the process tab, we can see all the active application and also the background services. In the performance tab, we can see CPU usage, memory usage and disk activity in real time. This helps us to understand process scheduling and memory management in Windows 10. The key observation that can be seen by running the Windows OS on VirtualBox is when multiple tabs or apps are open, CPU usage increases, memory usage shows how Windows dynamically allocates RAM to each process. These performance graphs gives us a clear picture of how the operating system handles multitasking, process management and resource allocation, so that how we can analyze its task and resource management. Now my teammate will continue the presentation with the Zorin OS virtual machine, which is Linux based operating system. Thank you.
Now showing a quick demonstration of Zorin OS running on a Oracle VM VirtualBox. Zorin OS is a Linux-based operating system that looks and feel very similar to the Windows, which makes it easy for your beginner to use. It's completely free and open source, and we can download it from the official Zorin website. I have completed the setup of Zorin OS virtual machine. So now I'll just start it. As you can see, the Zorin desktop is loaded. It has taskbar, start menu, and a file manager just like Windows. Demonstrating storage space. Demonstrating storage space. Now let's open the terminal. The free h shows the memory space available in the system. We will now open the multiple process or applications on the system where we can see analyze the CPU usage. In Zorin OS, we can open this by pressing the super key and search for system monitor. Under the process tab, we can see mm, Under the process tab, we can see all the programs currently running. In In the resource tab, we can see the CPU usage, memory usage, and network activity in real time. This is similar to Task Manager in Windows, and it helps us to understand how the Linux manages its process and system resources. So, in this demonstration, we can observe how Zorin runs smoothly in Oracle VirtualBox. Thank you. Next will be continued by Siri.
Hello everyone. Now let's compare Zorin OS with Windows 10. Both operating system can do multitasking, process scheduling, and memory management. But Zorin OS is lighter, open source, but system resource. On the other hand, Windows 10 support more applications but needs more RAM and storage. Both systems work in similar way but are designed for different kinds of using needs. Conclusion for this: to sum up, we create and ran Zorian OS is using VirtualBox. We checked it CPU and memory using simple terminal commands together with the Windows 10 demo. We have seen how two different operating system can run and studied on same computer using virtualization. Thank you.